Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can drag and drop files from your local machine to your virtual machine. So I'm running a virtual machine of Windows 10 on my Windows 10 machine. I'm going to show you. So first you want to activate dragging and dropping. I'm going to go to devices, click on devices, go to shared clipboard. By default normally it's usually disabled. I have set it to bidirectional. So bidirectional is drag things from your virtual machine to your local machine and vice versa. And for host to guest, it's from your host machine to your guest, but you can't go back. Same to guest and host. So once it's set on bidirectional, you're gonna want to go and test whether it can transfer. So I'm gonna search for something file I can copy, maybe a song, I can transfer it. So Uptown Funk by Bruno Mars and Mark Ronson. So when you hover and drag, it's gonna show you copy. So you can just drag it and it's copied to your desktop. It's as easy as that. So remember, you're going to devices, drag and drop. Then like you can see here, I enabled host to guest. Yeah, and that's how you copy, drag and drop files to your virtual machine in Windows 10 2023.